Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use your Dropbox as a storage to help you store many kinds of data and files from your PC or laptop into the cloud. Using Dropbox is really easy. Simply go onto the Google Chrome browser and just search for dropbox.com and then log into your account. After logging into your Dropbox, you can see that you are on the home screen, from where you are able to upload all of your files and data into the cloud of Dropbox. Or simply, if you click on the screen option, here you can see that there is a backup option as well. If you simply go on this and click on the backup option, now you will be able to directly back up all of your data of your PC or laptop into the Dropbox. And that is how you can use Dropbox as a storage in your laptop or PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find my video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.